Hello, this is Patrick, and welcome to another electric vehicle accessory review. Today, I've got a carbon fiber replacement steering wheel for a Tesla Model Y, or you can also get one for a Model 3. It's cool. Like, it's real carbon fiber. It's real slick, and it's got really good grip on the sides. The buttons are the newer ones if you have a 2020 model. They're kind of the updated ones. You can do it yourself. You don't have to take it somewhere. You can if you want to. I did it myself. It only required a couple tools, and they're readily available at any hardware store. You just got to be careful. You have to disconnect the power. You disconnect the low volt system. You disconnect the battery. Under the back seat, you disconnect the high volt system. And then you use this cool little pin on both sides of the steering wheel, and it'll pop out the airbag on the front. You pull that out carefully. You disconnect it in the control box. You take off the steering wheel, and then you take out the little control module in the bottom, and then you put it into the replacement steering wheel. If you do not do this, the scroll wheel buttons don't work. So it's kind of useless if you don't do it. So you gotta move that module over. You don't have to do anything with the buttons. Their modules are already there and they work. This has a heating element built into it. In my instance, the module itself, I think, enables that, along with changing the Tesla software. Let me know if you know for sure, but I did not get the heating steering wheel. Even though it is a heating steering wheel, I think I'd have to buy a different module to put into the steering wheel. Even though it's physically capable of it, I think that module needs replaced. Overall, I really like the steering wheel. I think it looks super slick. I'm gonna have to get a couple more carbon fiber accessories to match inside of the Model Y. I use this as a rental on Turo, and I just had a little tiny scratch at the top that became a wider nick and a tear, and I glued it, and it worked for a while. And with every person that rented it, it got just a little bit worse. And I put a steering wheel cover on it, but I don't like the way they slide around. It doesn't feel like it's safe or a good of a grip. I think this is an excellent replacement. With the coupon code that I have, Tesla Trip, you can save 25%, and I think it's a better deal than going with an OEM one, and it looks a lot better. So let me know what you guys think below. Also, check out other accessory reviews that I have with Hand Show. They've got all kinds of products on here, and you can use my code to save 25%, Tesla Trip. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys again very, very soon. Bye.